Spotted an RPR file linked to RealPlayer and wondering what role it plays? This is a plugin component for the classic RealPlayer media application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these RealPlayer plugin files do and how to handle them properly. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single RPR file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. RPR files are plugin files for RealPlayer media application by RealNetworks. They extend RealPlayer functionality with additional codecs, media format, support, visualization effects, or interface enhancements installed as components that integrate with the main application, providing extended capabilities beyond default media playback features. RealPlayer RPR plugin files use a binary format containing compiled plugin code and metadata, following RealNetworks plugin architecture specifications. The format includes plugin registration information, capability declarations, and executable code modules that load into the RealPlayer process to provide extended media handling functionality. For full editing functionality, RPR requires RealPlayer, which is supplied by RealNetworks. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows cannot parse internal plugin logic, so using them requires trusted and supported tools. Let's check the registry associations. Right-click your RPR file, then click Open With. Try RealPlayer if you see it. If it is not there, test the next application. We are looking for a successful file link. When your RPR file does not open, it is usually a small issue. A specialized format like RPR demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, installing in RealPlayer. Place the RPR file in RealPlayer's plugins directory, typically located in the application's installation folder. Restart RealPlayer to detect and load the new plugin. Access plugin features through RealPlayer's Preferences or Extensions menu after successful installation and registration with the application's plugin system. Next, verifying plugin source. Only install RPR plugins from trusted sources such as RealNetworks, official site, or established media community repositories. Plugins execute with the same privileges as RealPlayer, so malicious plugins could compromise system security. Scan downloaded plugins with antivirus software before installation as a precaution. Finally, removing problematic plugins. If RealPlayer experiences issues after RPR plugin installation, remove the file from the plugins directory and restart the application. Use RealPlayer's plugin management interface if available to disable or uninstall plugins through the user interface, rather than direct file manipulation when possible. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.